Okay, the rain has just stopped. It's Tuesday, February the 20th, and I just got a new gadget. I'm gonna go test it out inside the greenhouse. It's called, it's from the brand name is Mafati. It's an electric fly swatter. So I'm gonna go test it inside the greenhouse. See, ooh, I think it's working, but I think the handle is a bit too short. The handle might be too short. You see, then you can hear the zap. When you hear the zap, that means it got it. What is it? Come on, flies, bugs. Where are you? Where is it when I needed you? Damn. See. Here you go. Ooh, this is pretty cool. But so far, it's pretty cool. So this is a black aphids. If you see it, removed it immediately. And look at here is a very bad infestation. So the sooner you remove it, the better, so that it doesn't multiply. See, really bad. Squeeze it. So, because if you wash it with water, it's probably gonna go somewhere else. Like some people like to spray with water. So I just basically squeeze it first and then wash it later. Wash it off later. Right now, I just want to squeeze it, kill it. This will basically squeeze and kill the thing. So don't let it manifest into an adult with wings, because they will fly just like the white kind. You know, they have wings. Oh, these plants, I forgot what it's called, but basically they taste like spinach. It's really good. They come to life once a year, and only in after the winter. And or not after the winter, but in the winter they start to sprout up, and I have a whole bunch of it right here. It's really good in soup. So it's very delicate, and you can make it into salad. It tastes exactly just like spinach. And the leaves here, it's very soft and tender. So stores don't have these. The store usually don't sell these because they're very difficult to transport. But it tastes exactly like spinach, and It's very nutritious too. So here's the chives, and you can see that right there. They love garlics and chives and onion. So the other thing that you can do is basically cut off. So with chives, you can basically just cut it off because the chives will spring back easily, and the onion too. Same thing with the onions, but with the garlic, it's gonna be different, right? Garlic, it's you don't want to keep on cutting it because it's gonna use up the energy in the bulb, because you want to form bulbs. See, this is the garlic. You see it's already on the garlic too. So I'm gonna basically the other thing is to wash it away. Some people use neem oils and stuff like that, but I just basically don't, because neem oil is expensive too. So I'm just gonna do this simple, glove, squishing it, with my glove, and then washing it away with water. So here, you see the chives. It's okay now. So I saw some on the citrus too. So they love the young citrus leaves and roses as well. So pay attention to those, because this black aphids, they will suck the life out of your plants. Basically, they will eventually end up killing your plant. I think I see the citrus here is getting infected. So I'm gonna remove. What I do is with citrus like this, I remove the leaves, the entire leaves, that part of the leaf out. Okay, so I just removed the citrus. You see the black thing on the leaves. I just squeeze it so I can kill it immediately. Even the ants too. There was some ants on it too. So this is a time that they are showing up now, and they will multiply if you don't do anything about it. So I like to kill it immediately to prevent any spreads. Another option with chives is that and chives and onion is you can basically just cut it. Because they will always grow back. Yeah, I just cut this like a few days ago, and they're already growing back. See these chives.